Hi, today I'm going to show you how to activate OnePay Walmart Card. So, if you just received your OnePay Walmart Card, activating it is the first step before you can start shopping or earning rewards. The process is quick and can be done entirely from your phone or computer. Here's how to get started. Go to the official OnePay activation site or open the OnePay mobile app. Look for option that says Activate Card or Activate My Walmart Card. Make sure you are on the official page to avoid phishing or fake links, just like this one. So you can search for OnePay/active just like this and it will show up like this. Just click on Activate Now button and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply enter your mobile number with which you have created your card, or you can also sign in with your email. After you do this, type in your card number, expiration date, CVV found on the back of your Walmart card. Double check the digits before submitting to avoid errors during activation. Also, you'll be asked to confirm your name, date of birth, or registered phone number. This security step ensures the card is being activated by the rightful owner. If prompted, enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email. Once verified, create a secure PIN for in-store use. This PIN will be needed whenever you pay at Walmart or withdraw cash from ATM. So choose something memorable but hard to guess. After submitting your details, you will see an on-screen message confirming your card is activated. You may also receive a confirmation email or app notification. Finally, make a small purchase at Walmart or check your balance in the OnePay app to confirm it's working. You're now ready to shop, earn rewards, and use a OnePay Walmart card anywhere it's accepted. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.